for future.
Naam, kwenye masuala ya elimu ni kwamba walimu wa vyuo vya anuai pamoja na vyuo vikuu wamekongamana katika warsha ya kujadili uwezekano wa elimu ya vipaji kujumuishwa katika taasisi za taifa ili kutoa fursa ya vijana kuhitimu. Mafunzo hayo yamefanyika katika vyuo vya Sigalagala, Kaimosi, Sangalo na chuo cha Konoin wakishirikiana na shirika la elimu la Canada.
So we want to be a center of excellence in preparing youths that have skills, bringing them into the market so that we can tap that skill that can be able to assist the youth to be formally recognized, and they can also now play as a base for the other young fellows that have gone through formal training to blend the training so that we can have a good labor stock that we can utilize to develop our economy.
We intend to work with the national polytechnics, who are the who are the ones who can give certificates because they have the order, the legal order. Our big brothers, Sigalagala National Polytechnics, we shall work hand in hand with them so that we really make sure that this is done the correct way.
So this project aims at tapping the massive talents, the various skills we have in this country that have been able to acquire skills and competences without necessarily going through school. And the aim is to certify them and allow them, give them the opportunity to seek employment, compete for contract opportunities, and even offer them mobility of labor, be able to move outside the country to get employment.
Na mtazamaji, kote duniani